Welcome to our video on 10 backyard turf ideas for a beautiful and low-maintenance landscape. Maintaining a natural lawn can be time-consuming and expensive, but bestartificialgrassdubai.ae offers a great alternative that requires minimal upkeep while still looking great. In this video, we'll show you some of the best backyard turf ideas that will transform your outdoor space. The first idea is to create a putting green. Artificial grass is perfect for creating a low-maintenance putting green that can be enjoyed year-round. Another idea is to create a play area for kids. Artificial grass is a great surface for play areas as it's soft, durable, and easy to clean. Create a pet-friendly outdoor space. Artificial grass is also pet-friendly, as it's durable and easy to clean up any messes. Create an outdoor entertaining space. Artificial grass is perfect for creating a low-maintenance area for outdoor entertaining, such as a patio or deck. Create a garden walkway. Use artificial grass to create a low-maintenance garden walkway that will add a pop of green to your landscape. Create a rooftop garden. Artificial grass is perfect for creating a rooftop garden, as it's lightweight and requires minimal upkeep. Create a contemporary landscape. Use artificial grass to create a modern, low-maintenance landscape that's perfect for contemporary homes. Create a water feature. Artificial grass is a great surface for creating a water feature, such as a pond or fountain. Create a sports court. Artificial grass is perfect for creating a low-maintenance sports court, such as a basketball or tennis court. Create a rooftop terrace. Use artificial grass to create a low-maintenance rooftop terrace that's perfect for relaxing and enjoying the views. And there you have it, 10 backyard turf ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and low-maintenance landscape.